how you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 monthly trading the Forex markets from the comfort of your bed without having to trade with your own capital or spending hours trading. Okay? So if you have been wondering how you can trade Forex profitably, not worrying about losses, not blowing your accounts, and not spending tons of hours on your screen, then trust me, this is the best video. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll tell you about a simple style of trading that me and my students use, and it has been making us a lot of money. You understand? And this simple style of trading that I'm talking about, it works so well. I was able to make over $3,000 in less than 2 hours. Okay, as you can see on this screenshot, in less than 2 hours. And one of my students used this. He made over $5,000 in less than a day. If you are surprised, I'm going to show you a video of him talking about it later. But let's go on. My name is BestsellerFX, and I have some good news of Forex trading to share with you. I have over 7 years experience in the market. I've seen it all. I've seen the blowing of accounts. I've seen the losses. I've seen the bad times. I've seen the good times. And I've been able to discover what exactly made those good times come and how to make sure they keep coming. Okay? And if you are new to Forex, if you don't even know what it means, I'm going to explain. Forex simply means foreign exchange. So Forex trading means you are placing trades on the foreign exchange markets. Okay, so this foreign exchange, we are talking about the international markets. You understand? Using currencies like dollars, like euros, like pounds. You understand? So you place trades on these foreign pairs, such as Euro USD, USD JPY, GBP card. They come in twos. You understand? That's a pair. So you simply have to place a buy or a sell. That's all. If you are right, you will make money. If you are wrong, you will lose money. Do you understand? But don't worry. When you place a buy, you are simply saying the market will move up. If you place a sell, you are saying the market will move down. That's all. You understand? So, but the issue now is knowing where to place the buy or sell, and also knowing when to take profit or allow the trade to keep running. Do you understand? So this is where most traders get it wrong. And this style of trading I'm talking about, it will solve this issue for you. It will tell you exactly when to enter the market, exactly when to place trades, when to take your profit, when to allow the trade to run, and it will make you a lot of money in the process. Now, it doesn't matter if you haven't made this kind of money before. If $5,000 is big money to you, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you don't know what Forex means or if you haven't traded Forex before. And it doesn't even matter if you have been losing continuously in the market. If you're a trader already, or you've not been able to find your feet, or you don't make enough profit, this style of trading will still work for you. Okay? And even if you don't have time to trade, if you are busy, this style of trading will save you time. Okay? You don't have to analyze the market for hours. In just 10 minutes or less, you are good to go. This style of trading is new. It is not something that is available on the internet except to get it from us. And even though it is new, it is so effective that we have used it to earn from the financial markets consistently. Now, one of my students made over $500 with this style of trading in just 4 days. In basically 4 days, he was able to make over $500. Now, if you check this in Naira, this is over 350K in just 4 days. 350K in 4 days is not bad money at all. So much that every single month we generate thousands of dollars trading Forex. And I'll show you more proofs of this in a bit. You understand? But before we even go further, I want you to understand that I was not always like this. So 5 years back, I was losing money. You understand? I was losing money before I discovered this secret that I'm about to tell you. You understand? So this is probably where you are now. Maybe you are a beginner trader and you need a working system. You need something that works, something that's profitable, something that is predictable. You understand? Maybe you already trade and you still lose money. And this is exactly what you need. This is the style of trading that you should be involved in. You understand? Now, I know this trading will change your lifestyle. I know it's going to change your trading story because it did the same thing to me. You understand? When I discovered this, it improved my trades and made me profitable. And not just me, over 897 persons who have trusted me to try this out. They are testifying to how good this trading system is. Okay, so now the big question is, if it is this easy, why is a lot of people struggling? Why is a lot of persons still losing money in the markets? I'm going to tell you. It is because it is not by how hard you work. It's not how many hours you spent or you spend analyzing, placing trades, how many trades you place. It's not by all that. It's by the information you have. It's by whether you know this style of trading or not, and how well you are making use of it. Okay, so like I said before, I was once among the people struggling. You understand? I blew over 3 accounts before I got this good. Do you understand? So the first one was because I was not properly trained. I just went to Google, I went to YouTube. Maybe you've learned from there, and all those things there, they are outdated. Okay, they are outdated and they just don't work. You understand? If you try them out, you will make few profits, you make few losses, and soon you are going to lose your hard-earned money. Speak from experience. Okay. So, but I did not just stop after losing the first account. I still went on to create the second one. Let's just say I'm stubborn. So, but I started to use signals. I started to use, all these signals from so-called gurus. And I haven't paid for some of them. But what happened? I lost my money, everything from the fake guru. You understand? And if that is what you are doing, I just hope the person you are depending on the signals is using my style of trading. If it's not, your account is at risk. Okay. Now, this style of trading I'm talking about is not the common support and resistance, supply and demand, ICT, SNC, other block that you see flying around. These things, some of them work, but they still have flaws and they expose your account. You understand? So we are looking at how you will cover up those flaws and make sure you limit your losses a lot. You understand? That is what this style of trading is going to do. And the final blowing of account that I experienced, it happened to me because I was doing copy trading. I wanted someone else to do the trading. I just depended on someone else. As he was losing on his account, he was also losing on my account. And I was like, no, I can't take this no more. I was even going to give up. Trust me. You understand? But then I just remember that there is still something in Forex market that is making some traders profitable. What are those people doing that I am not doing? That became my question. What exactly are they engaged in? What do they know that I don't know? And that was why I did not give up. That was why I decided to hang in there. Okay. Now, on a fateful day, I noticed that there are things that kept on repeating themselves in the market. You understand? Like I said, it felt like they just kept on repeating themselves in the market. So I decided to study it. I decided to back test it. You understand? So I discovered that when you combine the 3 major types of analysis. Now, if you don't know, the 3 major types of analysis are fundamental, technical, and sentimental. I'm going to talk about them. You understand? When you combine these 3 major types of analysis, you'll be able to predict the trend of the market and follow it there. Now, this works so well that you can even enter at the start of the trends. You understand? At the beginning of the trend. This way you will make enough money. You will make a lot of pips. Now, these are examples of 2 trades, a buy and a sell trade. This is on gold, XAU USD. This is on USD JPY. You understand? So this was a sell. As you can see, this is where I entered the sell. The market just started coming down. And I made so many pips coming down here. Understand? So this is on 4 hours. So you need to know that there are a lot of pips that have been made, a lot of money has been made, because when you place a sell, the lower it goes, the more money you are making. You understand? That means you are making more pips, you are making more money. This is a buy trade. You understand? On USD JPY. You can see how far it went. I entered from the very, very bottom. Most other traders will be entering here after a retest or here and stuff like that. But I started from when the market changed to become an upward trend. That is where I entered the buy. Do you understand? So this is what this style of trading shows you, exactly when the market is going to turn and where you can enter, you buy or sell. Now, the best part, like I've said earlier, you don't have to spend hours trying to figure out where the market is. In 10 minutes or less, you can get this done. And you place trades with 90% accuracy. You understand? Now, so it is not 100%. There is nothing like, if anybody tells you they are 100% correct, that's a lie. Nobody's perfect. Nobody's God. Okay? So with 90% accuracy, You understand? And even if you get 70% accuracy, you will still be very profitable in Forex. So this style of trading is taking you way more than you even want to. Okay. Now this method was so good, it solved my problems, and ever since then I've never blew an account. So I had to keep trying it out. I was refining it just to be sure that it works so well. You understand? And yes, it did not fail me. Before I decided to introduce it to some other persons who also tried it out. Do you understand? So I call this method the triangle of analysis method. And yes, it has made me and my students so rich. The triangle of analysis method, that is what I call it. And why does this trading work? Why exactly do I have confidence in it? Because one, it combines all the three methods of analysis. This is not something you will see anywhere. It allows you into what the news and the activities of the government is all about. You understand? Because the economy, the currencies, they are moved by the government and other big banks. So you want to know what they are into. And this makes you understand where the huge movement is being made. That is why I was able to know that there will be a long downtrend and a long uptrend here. Do you understand? Makes the work pretty easy. So it cuts through all the noise in the market, all the everything, it cuts through it, and it shows you exactly how to follow the right trend and make a lot of money. Most important, it prevents manipulation. All these false breakouts, you think it's a buy, whereas it's actually a sell that's in disguise. It's like a retest on the sell. You will not fall for those kind of manipulation. That is where most traders who are losing money lose their money. Okay, so I've been there, I've made those mistakes. That's why I made sure that this strategy which I came up with, this type of trading, it's not just a strategy, it's everything in trading. This type of trading that I came up with, it is solving all those problems which I had before. You understand? So and today I want to show you how you can join us to use this secret method in the market and make a lot of dollars. Okay. Now, I know that there are some persons who will be, I know you might be asking yourself now that if I have so much money, why am I showing you this? There are three reasons why I'm showing you this method. And the first one is because I want your prayers. Yes, I want to benefit from it. If you're someone who is religious, I want you to remember me tomorrow and say thank you. I want you to remember me and pray for me. Okay? So this is, I just fetched out 2 screenshots of my student. This is Mr. Michael. He said that I found out you are the best, sir. You make Forex so simple and easy. God bless you too. Do you understand? So this is after my batch A student. He said, God in his infinite mercy will uplift you. These are the kind of words I want to be hearing. So yes, I want to benefit from your prayer. He said, don't worry, we'll buy you G-Wagon soon. They've not yet kept to this, their promise. They made money and they forgot to be. They've not yet gotten it from me, plus a mansion in Banana Island. But I'm just happy that they are making money, they are happy, and you can say a word or two of prayer for me. That's very important. Okay. So for the purpose of fulfillment, you understand, there is this joy when I see people making profits. He said, just use today's profit to add to my phone. He got a new phone and he bought a wristwatch for his girlfriend. I hope the girlfriend is aware that I also added to that watch because it is the training that has done this for him and in extension her. You understand? So this is why I am doing this. You understand? So he said a setup that gives you $10 can also give you $100. So this, he said, you give God all the glory. These are the kind of information I want to see. You understand? So number 3 reason why is because I probably would have still been a struggling graduate if I didn't learn Forex. Trust me. About 7 years back when I did my service after NYSC, I was lost what to do. I know for sure that I did not want to go back. I did not want to get a job. I did not want to work in corporate firms and get a salary and stuff like that. But at the same time, I was not sure what exactly I was going to do. I just knew I wanted to work online, make money from the comfort of my home. I want to have time for my friends, have time to play, have time for anything I want to do for my family. You understand? So I was just not so sure what to do, but I know it's not a job. So Forex gave me an opportunity. I'm giving you that same opportunity today. You understand? And it's not as if I studied anything finance. I studied biology. So it's not as if I studied anything finance, but look at me today. I am trading the financial market. Do you understand? So now there are some myths that will hold you back from making money in Forex. Number one, you think you need to work extra hard, spending tons of hours learning and analyzing before you make money. I'm sorry, but that's a blatant lie. You don't need to work that hard. In fact, somebody who goes to work daily is working harder than you. Somebody a freelancer is working harder than you. That's the truth. A freelancer is someone who carries out jobs on the internet like graphic design, website design, and all that. They are working harder than you. That's the truth. Why? Because this triangle of analysis method has made it so fast to place trades. So fast that some of my students are done trading before afternoon and can be. Some of my students, they finish before 12 p.m. I'll not get some of those screenshots of, but this one finished, was done trading since 4 p.m. and he made over $1,000. This is over $1,000 made before 4 p.m. Yes, and he did not have to start early in the morning. Any time of the day you want to start trading. You understand? Okay, so this is Sarah, a lady among my team. She made over $1,000 before 4 p.m. This is a live account, as you can see here. Before 4 p.m. You understand? So it doesn't take your time. And the second myth is you think you need a lot of money to make it in Forex trading. I don't know who is sharing this type of propaganda, but you don't need a lot of money to make it in Forex trading. The minimum is $10, but personally I advise $50. You understand? But like I said at the beginning of this video, you don't even need to trade with your own money. I'll show you how you can get money to start trading. You understand? But if you want to use your own money, the minimum is $10. I advise $50. But let's even see what some of my students are doing. This one, he grew $16 to $349 in 2 days. This is more than 20x of his capital in 2 days. I just want you to have an idea of what is going on. $16 is definitely is less than 12k. It's around 12,000 naira. That's what someone grew to over 200k in 2 days. Imagine making more than 180k in 2 days. You understand? That is not bad money at all. These other students of mine, he deposited $48. You can see that the most of them are even less than the $50. He deposited $48. He increased it to over $200, a profit of $156. This happened in about 3 days. You understand? So this style of trading works both for huge accounts and small accounts. As you can see, from my students who made over $5,000 in a day to these ones who are using less than $16 trade. You understand? So the third myth that might hold you back is you think you need to lose money or blow your account first. I don't know who told you that, but that is not the case. Do you understand? I lost money when I started because I did not know about this secret that I'm telling you now, this triangle of analysis method that I'm going to show you how you can get it. Okay? But when you have this with you, you will not need to lose your money first. You will not need to blow your account first. Okay. So now let's look at 2 scenarios. 2 persons who they reached out to me that they wanted to learn. You know, I have persons who message me every time and say, hey, I want to learn Forex. And after I show them, some of them will refuse to join, some of them will join and all that. So Mr. A, he reached out to me after 2 months. He was complaining. I'm going to name him Mr. A. I don't want to show his name. He reached out to me and he complained that he has been losing a lot of money to the market. He has been losing a lot of money to the market. So this is his trade. Now, what was he doing wrong? He was depending on signals that don't work. He listened to gurus without track record. You know, all these people that just post flashy stuff online, they don't have track record. They don't have results that actually work. You understand? You can see he lost over $3,000 gone. Do you understand? So he got into copy trading. He was using robots, copy trading, different things. He was just struggling to grow his account anyhow. And he doesn't know this triangle of analysis method, obviously, because he refused to. He had to confide in me that he was losing money. You understand? I don't know. He said it took him time to come and meet me after he started to lose money because he was ashamed of not joining. And I don't want you to make that mistake. You understand? But let's look at Mr. B, who also joined me and started trading. You understand? So what was Mr. B doing right? He has gotten my training on Forex and was implementing it. He understood the triangle of analysis method. You understand? He doesn't need to follow fake gurus, fake signals, and he spends less time on charts. He doesn't need to be there day in, day out. And he's part of my support group. So his name is Ebuka, and you can see the results he got that he sent to me. Only one loss, and the rest hit his take profit. So now, how do you get this trading method? You've seen how well it works, both for huge accounts and small accounts, and how it is even good for beginners as well. How do you get this trading method, and how do you improve your style of trading? You understand? So how do you join me and my students to make dollars from the financial markets? So before I tell you, I want you to understand that I will not just be giving you the triangle of analysis alone. I will give you the full package, the full BFA Forex trading. You understand? Everything, so that you become a fully certified, profitable Forex trader. You understand? So this is it. It's called the triangle of analysis method, the BFA full Forex trading. You understand? So, and this training is meant for you if you're a beginner who doesn't know anything about trading. Like I said, if you don't even know the meaning of Forex, you are welcome to learn. All you need is what? An internet connected device. That's all. The internet and your smartphone. No, you don't need a laptop. You don't need a television. You don't need all those curved screen that you see they put Forex on the. It's just for the photos. It's just for the photos, basically. You understand? The only advantage is that a laptop can give you a wide screen, but you can trade with your phone. I trade with my phone. If you see those screenshots, you will see more of it. They are all screenshots from phones, as you can see. So I trade with my phone. So if you're an amateur who is new to trading and you want to learn a profitable style of trading, this training is also for you. If you're a losing trader who wants to move from the losing side to the winning side, you want to join us on this style of trading, you can get this training. You should get this training. You understand? So if you're a profitable trader that wants to make more money in the market, you understand? Because I'm making $3,000 a day, making $5,000 a day, like you've seen that some of us have gotten. It is more money for you as a trader. So even if you are profitable already, you should make more. You can make more. You should make more. Okay. So now I know this training is suited for you because another student of mine grew his account from $500 over $1,400. Yes. They say he has been trying to take it to $500. Sorry, he has been trying to take his $500 account to $1,000 since 2 weeks. But he now got it to $1,400, extra $900. That is over 650K made in 2 weeks. You understand? That is not bad money at all. Over 600K made in 2 weeks. It's not bad money at all. So you can see that this style of trading, it works for someone with a $16 account. It works for someone with a $500 account. You understand? So in this training, what exactly are you going to be learning in this training? Like I said, we'll start from the basics. For those who are new, we'll start from the first basic, meaning the history, the introduction, the apps to use, and how to use them properly. You understand? It's very important to know that. We'll talk about the trading sessions, the right time to trade the market, to be almost sure of volatility. Volatility is movement in the market. Trading stops will help you protect your profit, protecting of your profit so that you will not go back into a loss. And how to create Forex accounts and all those things. Now, this is what over 40,000 naira. You understand? Especially these trailing stops where some persons after making profit, they will lose it. This is going to help you stop that losing of money once you've made it. Once it's gone up, it's not going to come down. Do you understand? It's not going to come down into loss. That's the use of this trailing stop. So this is going to save you a lot of money. This session is worth over 40,000 naira. So then the intermediate session, talk about market structure. Like I said, even though we'll be giving you the almighty triangle of analysis method, I'll still be teaching you other forms of analysis, other strategies, the technical analysis, the market structure, the simple and advanced price action, the forex indicators, over 10 working forex strategies, patterns, and the likes. Then this top-bottom analysis is a form of analysis that shows you how to trade like the bank. Banks have a lot of money in the markets. They trade forex. Yes, your banks trade forex with huge amounts of money. So you learn how to trade like them, just so that you will be able to follow their movement, because they cause huge movements in the market, and so you'll be able to follow their movements and move just like them. You know where there is liquidity, you know where they're about to stop out, where they're about to create a fake out and all that. This top down analysis will also help you hold your trades long, because it will show you how to merge different time frames. You understand? It does this work so easy. And how to trade NFP and CPI. They are news effects in the market. I'll show you how to trade NFP, how to trade CPI. You will understand how to trade these news. And in fact, I'll show you some of my students who are making good results trading this NFP and CPI. Okay? So entry methods, such as candlesticks and sniper entry. Sniper entry helps you make money immediately that trend starts. In fact, you can even be offline when the market will open the trades for you using sniper entry. I'll show you how to do that as well. And then the almighty triangle of analysis. So this is worth over 275,000 naira. Is worth more than that amount. Okay. So the advanced session, I will teach you a simple risk management strategy. Risk management, the aim of risk management is to make sure you don't blow your account. That's the end goal. To make sure you reduce your losses and you don't blow your account. With risk management, you should not be blowing your account. This is very, very important, okay? And the trading plan, journal. A trader without a plan is not a proper trader. You need a plan so you know what you are doing in the market. So you have to create a simple trading plan. How to set forex goals and achieve them. If you are aiming to get up to $1,000 daily, we'll show you how to set proper forex goals. It has to be realistic, but it will be increasing. Do you understand? There must be growth. There must be growth. Okay. For that, my student who made $5,000 in a day, he did not just walk into it. You understand? He kept on growing and he got there. $5,000 in a day is way over 3.5 million naira. Okay. So now, how to hold trades for long? How to hold trades for long? This will show you, just like those screenshots which I showed of my trades. You enter at the bottom of the trade, then you allow it to go on for long. This is a superpower. So this is worth over 137,000 naira. Now, if you move on, we have the live trades. I'll show you some of the live trades that I've placed. You understand? I'll show you my 10 steps to placing trades. Steps that you can follow. Know exactly how to place trades just like me. I'll show you profitable setups that worked and why they did. This is important so that when you see these setups in the market, you can be able to trade them as well. This is like me handing over to you an open sheet with the answers to every question you need. Okay? Now, but there is more. I did not just stop here. Even though this is more than enough to make you a profitable trader, there is even still more for you. Now, the bonuses which you will be getting, you get lifetime mentorship. Lifetime mentorship to today. You understand? I know with this mentorship, you can ask me questions any day, anytime, anything. You have unlimited access to me. You can ask me any question you want to. With this lifetime mentorship, you can be showing me your trades for corrections. I'll be telling you how best to improve. I also give you access to my Forex library. This library contains a training I paid $999. That is over 700K. It was a training on SMC and other blocks. You understand? So even though I know about more this ICT, SMC, other blocks, price action, I still prefer triangle of analysis. But the best part is I am going to show you how to trade with all this type of trading. You understand? With all this analysis, the SMC, the other blocks, the price action, everything. Do you understand? So this alone is priceless. The fact that you have lifetime access to me, lifetime mentorship, that alone, I can't even put a price on it, okay? Because anytime you want to, you can ask me questions, you can show me your results any day, anytime. Now, why mentorship? Okay, why mentorship? Now, mentorship is just basically me holding you by the hand, showing you exactly what to do, guiding your steps, so that you don't make unnecessary mistakes. You understand? So instead of you being the person in frame A, instead of you trying to do it yourself, instead of you stopping to do it yourself, you'll be the person in frame B, where I'll hold your hands and lift you up. You understand? It's just that easy. Okay. So this is the mentorship. It is one-on-one. It is one-on-one. You can see where these students were just having a conversation. This is the NFP. It was like he caught both the bull and bear move. If you know NFP, there's usually both movement. There will be a sharp movement, then there will be a reversal. You understand? So I taught how to trade NFP. So this is also another student. He's telling me how her trade is going. You understand? So this other one is saying when you have risk management to see and all that. So these conversations will go on between you and I, where you'll be showing me your trades and you'll be making corrections. So how much do you think it will cost to get BFA full training plus the bonuses? We have a total value of 547,000 plus the priceless. You understand? So how much do you think it will cost to get trade? Let alone for me, I'm finding it difficult to put a fee on this. And that's because of the value it comes with. You understand? But I know it is worth this amount. And even more, because this is one of my students' results. He made over $357. This is still on that same day. And this amount is over 250K. It's over 250K in a single day, and the trades are still going on. You understand? And the style of trading works so well that I made over $6,000 in less than a day. Over $6,000 in less than a day. Okay. So this is a very recent trade because I'm currently making this video in March. So this is a very, very recent trade. You understand? So this style of trading has been working for long, even up till now. You understand? It has been working since I discovered it about 5 years ago, and even up till now, it is still working. Okay. Now, so how much do you think it will cost you to get this training that is worth over this amount? But even before I tell you how much you will get the training, I want you to see some results from our trades. This is in 2020. This is in 2020. These are some of the results using this style of trading, using this full training that I'm telling you about. Okay. So here I made a withdrawal of over $50,000 in 2020. You can see the results. This is a trade this was an ongoing trade. You can see it's a real account, a live account. You understand, of some of our trades going forward. You can see that. So this is some other trades. These are in 2022. Okay, these are some live trades, and it's not just me. It's not just me. I just don't want to litter it with my trades alone. Let me also show that of my students as well. So this guy had an 85% winning rate. You know, so the more you keep using this strategy, the better you get at it till you will get to the 90% winning rate and even more. So he had about 85%, but most importantly, he moved his capital from $183 to $700+. You understand? This one made over $800 in a single trade. If you check these amounts in Naira, over $800 in a single trade is over 500K. Okay, so let's go on. So even with smaller accounts, over $100 in a day, over $142 in a day. This one too is over $170 in a day. Do you understand? So this over $170 is definitely over 100K in a single day. You understand? Making that kind of money from trading in a single day. You know, so this one too is also there. And there are so many results of my students making money. This one withdraw 108K to his. You say most interestingly paying yourself and deciding how much to get paid with. That's the most important part. You just have to log into your broker's website and request for the amount you want from your profits, from your trades, from the amount you have in your account. You can withdraw any amount you want. So deciding when you want to get paid and how much, no better feeling than deciding when to work and when to get paid. This is Mr. Oscar. No better feeling than that. Do you understand? So this is over 800. He said, had only one loss and the rest hit straight profit. I just want you to understand the power of this style of trading I'm telling you about, which is why I said I don't even know how to put an amount to it because of how much my students are making from it. You understand? So this guy is consistently making $50. Currently, that is over 35K daily. Consistently, he's just making the amount consistently. Now, if we do the math, let's say considering trading days and all that, bad as bad, you should be getting over 600K at the end of it. That is not bad money at all. As a Nigerian, you know what you can do with that amount. Okay. So now, the PFA full training, even though it is worth over 500K, I'm going to be giving it at 50,000 naira only. And I believe this is a steal. I believe this is just like giveaway. Okay. But for a limited time, you can get this training for just 30,000 naira. For a limited time. And so when next you try to watch this video and it's no longer available, just be aware the training is no longer available. 30,000 naira. Currently, you can get it for this amount. And so if you take action now, to get it, I have something for you. And that is the extra bonus. This is just for fast cash data. Now, you will be added to my support group chat. If you notice, most of my students, those their results, they were dropping it in the support group chat. They were chatting among themselves there, helping themselves out. So if you take action now, you will be added to the support group chat. So you also be giving real funds to trade with. You know, I said you don't have to trade with your own capital. Now, this is not prop firms where you have to buy the capital. No. This time around, you don't come with any capital. The brokers, they give you money to trade with, or you can only withdraw your profits. So that means if they give you $500 to trade with, you can withdraw profit of up to $1,000. You can withdraw any amount that you've made as your profit. Do you understand? If you don't want to use them, you can use your own capital. I have persons who insist on their own capital, which is fine. But the option exists for you to not trade with your capital. You understand? So even if you are only getting the training for 30,000 naira, you don't need to worry about capital if you don't have capital. So how to identify false breakouts in the market and manipulation is another training that will be added. You understand? You know, I said false breakouts and manipulations are the things that kick out a lot of beginner traders. I'll show you how to avoid it. But these bonuses are for fast action takers if you get access right away. You understand? So this is worth over 215,000 naira. Okay, so now why traders community? You know, I said you'll be added to support group. So what exactly is going on there? So two things happen there. You understand? As you can see from this photo, is helping each other out. So number one, your questions get answered. Okay, you can see that somebody else, Lukman Modric, is asking questions. Mr. Gideon is replying him. You understand? Mr. Gideon is replying him and correcting him. And Sir Victor came in to also help out. So these are my students who have gotten very good in training, so they can help those who are just joining. You understand? They can help those who are just joining. So sometimes this is also me. This is me dropping it. Sometimes you just have to draw lines to get your basic market structure and all that. And every other. So I was just correcting on basic market structure. You understand? Basic market structure. So this is what goes on in the support group chats. But even if I'm not around, you have others who will be there to guide you, to help you out. So that is why you should be there. So the second reason is trade calls. Trade calls is a situation where a trader posts a setup and tells you, like, this is what I'm expecting, and he's going to tell you why he's expecting that. So these are examples of trade calls. These are examples of setups that they're about to take. They will explain why to you. This is not just like a signal where a trader will just drop a signal, you don't know why they are taking it. You just go and join them and you make mistakes. And you'll not be able to learn. Even if you make money, you'll not be able to learn and get better. This is better than signals. You understand? So for a sell entry down to, you understand, and he's going to drop setup. You understand? The next thing down there is him explaining why this is happening and all that. This is another one again. Very, very important. So how do I get this? So, like I said, for today, the cost is 30,000 naira only. All you need to go all you need to do is go to blessedfx.academy/forex. www.blessedfx.academy/forex, and you go there to make payment to join the training. You have to make payment now while it is still 30,000 naira. So like I said, all you need to do is go to blessedfx.academy. Let me type that again. blessedfx.academy/forex. That is all you need to do. Once you go there, it's going to load this page for you. You understand? And you can scroll down to make payments. Like I said, today's price is 30,000 naira and it's going to become 50,000 naira soon. You can pay online or you can do a simple bank transfer to the Academy account number. You understand? This is it. This is the UBA account number. So you can simply make payment to it. And if you make bank transfer, you send proof of payment to me on WhatsApp. This is my number, 09090331604. But if you want to pay with your ATM card or you want to pay online, just click on pay online. It's going to load and you pay through Paystack. You fill in your name, fill in everything, then you click on pay now. So if you click on pay now, you can choose whichever method you want to pay. You can even do bank transfer to Paystack. And after that, you'll be redirected to me. You understand? You'll be redirected to me. So once again, it is blessedfx.academy/forex. You understand? That is where you need to join the training right away. So now, why should you get this right away? Now, the first thing is the price is going up to 50K soon. You understand? And the second thing is the extra bonuses. I'm giving it to those who take action immediately. Now, the reason is because the support group chats, there's always a limit to how many persons can be in the support group chat. So, and I don't want it overcrowded. You understand? So if you don't join right away, you will not be able to access it. You understand? You will get other parts of the training, and trust me, that is actually good. If you get other parts of the training, fine with it. You'll be able to make money with it without the support group chat. You understand? But the support group chat is there to help you out. And the third reason is, do you want to keep delaying? I mean, why not start making the money right away? So for today, the cost is only 30,000 naira. All you need to do is go to blessedfx.academy/forex. Okay. So are you still here? Are you still watching? You still haven't gone to the link to make payments. Once again, this is the link that you can see on your screen right here. Now, just in case you're asking whether we actually withdraw this money or just showing screenshots, doubting Thomas. Don't worry, I got you. So these are some of the withdrawals I make to my straight to my Polaris account, straight to my account, as you can see. So this is your best opportunity to become a beast in trading. You understand? So you'll be getting a new and tested profitable Forex strategy analysis, triangle of analysis. You get access to our support group chats, plus lifetime mentorship. You get access to reforms. You know how to hold trades for long and maximize profits. You understand? You get a simple risk management strategy. It's simple, but it's effective. It stops you from blowing your account. You know how to set and crush any Forex goal you want to. So frequently asked questions. What if I'm new to Forex? Like I said, we'll start from the basics. You already saw that from the very, very basics, we'll start from there. You will not be lost in trading, trust me, in this training. So will I become profitable after this training? Yes, you will be. Why? Because over 90% of my students are profitable with this training. The rest, it is because they did not go through it, or they were not just interested, or they did not come around for mentorship. It's important that you are asking me questions. I will be there for you. You understand? So is this a one-time payment or continuous payment? It's one-time payment and you are always in the group chats. How long before I finish the training? Trust me, you can start making money for the next day after getting the training. Yes, especially from the group chat, those trade calls can help you out. You understand? So even before you finish, you will start training and make money. You understand? So how long you finish depends on you. You'll be learning at your own pace. If you want to finish in 2 weeks, your choice. In lesser time, your choice. If you want to take your time, if you have an exam, you can go and write it and come back. You have lifetime access to the training. So how long is the mentorship? Like I said, is lifetime. What is in the support group chat? The trade calls, and helping out each other. Why is this trading better than others? Well, the number one reason is because of triangle of analysis. It is something that is not any other place apart from here. And the trade calls and the kind of support we give. But if you feel there is somewhere else you can get something better, all I want is your progress. So if you feel there's somewhere else better, no problem. Do you teach synthetic pairs or just currency pairs? I mean, you saw the results of my students. So some of them were trading synthetic. Let me go back. Some of them were trading synthetic. Some of them were trading currency pairs. This is synthetic. You can see all this jumping. There's volatility. This is GBP USD. This is normal currency pair. So the triangle of analysis works for whichever. You understand? In fact, I've had persons who use this for crypto, and yes, it works to analyze that market. You understand? Before I came up with this, I had to study a lot. You understand? I had to study a lot. I had to backtest a lot. I knew what I went through. You understand? Okay. So why should I get this training now? And I gave the 3 reasons. Most importantly is because the training fee is going up. And if you try to access this video and you don't see it, it means the fee has gone up. If you go to that page, that blessedfx.academy/ this is the page. If you go to this page and you see, if you do that /forex and you are seeing 50,000 naira instead of 30K, that means the training fee has gone up. So in order to prevent it from going up, I would advise you get access right away. Do you understand? So this is the video of the student who I said made over $5,000 in a single day. I hope you can hear him. If you can't see him, I'm going to screenshot. I'm going to pause when he shows his results, so you see what I'm talking about. You can see that $5,000 made. You can see that this is not a demo account. You can see the deposit and all that. $5,000 made. You understand? $5,000 made. So, this other student of mine has mastered the art of holding trades. I don't want to play his video. I'm going to show his result. His name is Abib. I see his true results. So this is what I'm saying, that you will learn how to enter the market when the trends are about to start, so that you will maximize your profit. This is 1:18 RRR. You can see from here down to this spot. You understand? Down to this spot. You know how much he has made here. Same with this. Entered from the tip. You can see it from the tip here. I was where I entered the market. Went all the way up here. You understand? So, and he was trading NFP, the news impact. So this style of trading is more than suitable for you to change your financial story, to change your trading, to make you improve, become a profitable professional Forex trader. So this is a summary of everything we're getting. You understand? So you get lifetime mentorship, unlimited access to me and the trainings. You get added to my premium Forex group where you communicate with advanced traders. You get a free access to my Forex library. You understand? With the training that I bought that was worth over $999, I'm giving you that. So how do you get this? For today, the cost is 30,000 naira. All you simply need to do is go to blessedfx.academy/Forex. You understand? So now you have two options. You can go back to wasting your time or money by using styles of trading that don't work, or by not even making any money at all online, or you can take advantage of the easy and effective way which I am showing you. You know, so I have a feeling that you are someone who is smart. I have a feeling that you are just like me and you don't like anything that will waste your time. So I believe you'll be going for this method and you change your trading story. So now, according to a recent report by Investopedia, if you don't know them, they're a financial media house. So they say most traders lose money because of 6 major reasons: the lack of proper training, the lack of mentorship and support, poor discipline in trading. This occurs when you don't follow trading rules, trading plans, and all that. So improper risk management, no capital to trade, and lack of consistency. Now, I made all these 6 mistakes. I made all of them. If you remember my story, I lost money because of these 6 mistakes, all of them. Well, aside the one of no capital to trade with, I was just wasting the capital I had until I started this style of trading that changed my life. Okay, and this is the same thing I am giving you. I am handing you the baton. You know, I am giving you an opportunity to not be among the losing traders. Join us in the top 1%. No, I am not asking you to become a profitable trader just like that. I am asking you to become the top 1% of traders, making thousands of dollars, not just monthly. I want you to make it daily, and it's possible. Okay, so to get access to us, just simply go to blessedfx.academy/forex. So I really hope you will not be here waiting until the fee goes up. I really hope you will not just be here waiting. So this is the final call. Go to blessedfx.academy/forex to make payments and join us. So thank you so much, and do have a nice day.